Thursday, August 24th, 2023. Topic: Chandrayaan-3. Please pardon any visual and informational inaccuracies in this entirely AI-generated video.
ISRO's Chandrayaan-2 mission, launched in July 2019, crashed when the lander deviated from its trajectory. Future missions, including Chandrayaan-3, are proposed. The European Space Agency, ESA, is supporting the mission through its European Space Tracking Network, ESTRAC. Under a new agreement, ESA will also support future ISRO missions such as Gaganyaan and Aditya L1, with ISRO reciprocating for future ESA missions. ISRO's Chandrayaan-3 mission aims to safely land a rover on the Moon, demonstrate its driving capabilities, and conduct experiments on lunar surface materials to enhance understanding of the Moon's composition. Chandrayaan-3, India's lunar mission, consists of a propulsion module, a lander, and a rover. The propulsion module carries the lander and rover to lunar orbit. The Vikram lander, responsible for soft landing on the Moon, carries the rover and scientific instruments. The Pragyan rover will take measurements to support research into the lunar surface's composition, presence of water ice, history of lunar impacts, and the Moon's atmospheric evolution. Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment, CHASTE, will measure the lunar surface's thermal conductivity and temperature. The Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity, ILSA, will measure seismicity around the landing site. The Langmuir probe, LP, will estimate near-surface plasma density over time. The Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer, APXS, and Laser-Induced Breakdown Spectroscope, LIBS, will analyze the lunar surface's chemical and elemental composition. The Spectropolarimetry of Habitable Planet Earth, SHAPE, will study Earth's spectral and polarimetric measurements from the lunar orbit. Chandrayaan-3, launched on the 14th of July 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in India, entered an Earth parking orbit with a perigee of 170 kilometers and an apogee of 36,500 kilometers. The mission was launched aboard an LVM-3M4 rocket. ISRO successfully placed the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft into lunar orbit on the 5th of August. The operation was conducted from the ISRO Telemetry, Tracking and Command Network in Bengaluru. On the 17th of August, the Vikram lander separated from the propulsion module to commence the mission's final phase. On the 23rd of August, 2023, a lunar lander executed a braking maneuver 30 kilometers above the Moon's surface, descending to 7.2 kilometers above the surface. It then stabilized itself, rotated to a vertical position, and continued its descent. The lander used two engines to slow its descent to 150 meters, hovered briefly, and then landed at 12:32 UTC. The propulsion module carries the lander and rover to a 100 by 100 kilometers orbit, operating experimental payload for up to 6 months. Both the lander and rover modules are designed to function for 1 lunar day, equivalent to 14 Earth days. The ISRO team includes Chairperson S. Somanath, Mission Director S. Mohanakumar, Associate Mission Director G. Narayanan, Project Director P. Veeramuthuval, Deputy Project Director Kalpana, K. and Vehicle Director Biju C. Thomas. In December 2019, the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, requested initial funding of Rs75 crore, $9.4 million, for a project. The majority of the funds would be used for machinery and equipment, with the remainder for operating expenses. Former ISRO Chairman K. Sivan confirmed the project, estimating the total cost at around Rs615 crore, $90 million in 2023.